Hey guys, my name is Rifki and welcome back to another video. This video is about smart remote control mobile USB adapter. This adapter can be configured to work with many electronic appliances such as cameras, televisions, projectors, ACs and so forth. Let's take a look on how we configured it with my TV. First, install the Universal TV Remote app from the App Store for iPhone and Play Store for Android phones. Plug the adapter and wait for the pop-up. Select the adapter. Turn the screen and point towards the TV. Look for the brand of your device. Click the button while pointing towards the TV and click Useful. Do this process for each button. Now if you get this pop-up, click start watching and watch the full advertisement. If you skip the ad in the middle, the pairing process will stop and we'll have to start all over again. There you go. Now it is paired to your device.